The letter O. O stands for owl. The owl ordered oboes for the orchestra. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write the lowercase o. Put your pencil on the dotted line and curve left and down toward the baseline. Move right along the baseline and curve up to close the O at the dotted line. Then draw a line out to the right just under the dotted line, ending with a grin. Write the letter O in the air. Let's practice. Now let's write an uppercase O. Put your pencil on the top line and curve left and down towards the baseline. Move right along the baseline and curve upward to close the O at the top line. Then draw a loop by curving down and left, cross the O here, and end up at the top line. Now write the letter O in the air. Let's practice. The uppercase O doesn't connect, it stands alone. The lowercase o connects with its grin. Let's write the word omega. Omega is the last letter of the Greek alphabet. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!